In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Stockx wallet, 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your balance, how payouts work on both desktop and mobile, and what to expect with timing and confirmations. First, head to stockx.com and log into your account. If you're using the mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Complete any security prompts you see so your account is verified and ready to receive payouts. Next, open your wallet or selling dashboard. On desktop, click Profile, select Selling, and then choose Payouts or Wallet. On the mobile app, tap Profile, tap Selling, and open Payouts or Balance. This is where you'll see your balances and payout status in one place. Take a moment to review your balances. You'll notice two labels, Pending Balance and Available Balance. Pending means the money isn't withdrawable yet, often because a sale is still being authenticated or is within the settlement window. Available balance is the amount that's ready for payout. Only available funds can be paid out, so if you're waiting on a recent sale, give it time to move from pending to available. Before money can be sent to you, confirm your payout method. Go to Settings, then Payment or Payout Methods. Choose your preferred option, such as a bank account via ACH or PayPal, depending on what's supported in your region. Double check that the name on your payout method matches the name on your Stockx account and verify your details before saving. Accurate information helps prevent delays or rejected transfers. Here's how payouts work. Stockx typically sends payments automatically as soon as your funds become available. You don't need to manually request a withdrawal. In your dashboard, you'll see the status change from processing to paid once it's sent. For timing, bank transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, while PayPal is often same day or the next day. Keep in mind that weekends, holidays, or bank review times can extend this slightly. Finally, confirm the payment. Check your bank account or PayPal activity for the incoming deposit. You should also receive a payment confirmation email, and the status in your Stockx wallet will show as paid. If something looks off, review your payout method for typos or mismatched names, and allow a little extra time during peak periods. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from your Stockx wallet. If you found this helpful, follow along for more straightforward walkthroughs just like this.